On the menu today, we're making noodles. Specifically, we're making wheat noodles, which is just a 2-to-1 ratio of flour to water. I'm using strong flour for the higher gluten content, and I'm just going to throw in a pinch of salt for every 100 grams of flour. This is not only going to season the noodles, but it's also going to strengthen the gluten in them. Anyway, I think you know where we're going with this. We're going to knead this for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until nice and smooth. As this is a stiff dough, rather than the usual technique of kneading, I like to use the rolling pin here and just press down, fold the dough together, and then just press it again, until it looks like this. Once you've got a smooth elastic dough, wrap it in cling film and rest it at room temperature for 1 hour. After an hour's up, you'll notice it's a lot softer and it'll be a lot more stretchy too. Next up, you're going to just roll it out as thin as you like, or as thin as you can. Trim the ends straight. And now we're just going to fold this up with a little bit of flour between each layer. Trim the edges straight, making sure you use a sharp knife for this. And then just thinly slice to your desired thickness. I'm going reasonably thin here. Once your noodles are cut, liberally dust them in flour and toss the coat. This will stop them from sticking to each other. Now to cook, just throw them in boiling salted water for 2 minutes, or if they're a little bit thicker, they might take a minute longer. And then you could drain and serve. However, I like mine with a bit of chili, garlic and ginger. Then throw in the noodles, stir to combine all those flavours, and we'll finish with a little bit of dark soy sauce. And now just serve with your favourite dishes. See you next week.